What a fantastic day we've got, and for that I bring you the Ultra EBike. We're at Poole Park, got a lovely view of the lake behind. So we're gonna get straight into the video. I will be inviting my videographer later on to help me fold up the e-bike because I have injured my arm, I've dislocated my shoulder and fractured it. So I am just going to be talking about the e-bike, but he's going to be helping me in that. So the first thing that I do want to talk about is the front display on the bike. Front display, really bright and colourful. Very quickly, we've got 3 modes. We've got Eco, and then you can go down and up in these modes, 1 to 3. And you've got your speed, maximum speed, 25 kilometers an hour, but more on that later on in the video. Second thing that I want to talk about is the folding pedals. So normal pedals won't fold on the traditional e-bike, but these do actually fold. So you're just going to push them in, and as you push them in, they fold up. So really good for transportation, and then they can just unclip outwards. And then you might have already noticed about the belt. So it is belt driven, it's not chain driven. So for a belt, it's just easier maintenance, don't have to clean the chain, and there are no gears. But more on that in the riding footage. And the last thing that I want to speak about is the backlight with the indicators. So as you can see, it has got a backlight. Not many e-bikes will have indicators, but I'm going to quickly demonstrate that for you now. So we have left and we have right indications on the bike. First of all, I want to talk about comfort on this bike. When you're riding in the city, comfort is key. It has a fantastic design, a well padded seat, and this makes longer rides more enjoyable. And you get no sore backs while riding. I can ride around the town for hours, and I have done on this bike without any discomfort. Plus the handlebars are perfectly positioned so I don't feel strained at all. And this bike is really smooth. It handles any bumps and uneven roads like a champion. The suspension, as you can see, it absorbs shocks really well, so you hardly feel any annoying potholes or cracks in the pavement. And honestly, it just makes that whole ride a bit more enjoyable. And with this e-bike, you can weave through traffic easily and reach your destination faster. And the electric assist gives you that extra boost when you need it. It's compact enough for easy parking and storage, making it an ideal choice for city commuters. So we also do have the 3-speed auto shifting motor. Simply put, this system will allow you to automatically change gears for you as you pedal. This means that you can focus on your ride without constantly fiddling with the gears. And the torque sensor. So this will simply put, it measures how hard that you're pedaling and adjusts the motor assistance accordingly. This means you'll get a much smoother and more natural ride. And performance on the bike is fantastic. You can really feel the bike responding to your efforts. When you pedal harder, you get more power from the motor, and this makes hills much more easier, and you get a little boost whenever you need it. And it deals with any hills perfectly, and you get gradual assistance without any sudden jolts. This is perfect for daily commutes, weekend adventures, an e-bike I would highly recommend. And the best part is that it helps conserve battery life because you're not relying solely on the motor. It just encourages a more active riding style, and it makes it a road legal e-bike because you're not using a throttle and you are pedaling to engage the motor. I'm now going to be inviting my videographer into the video to demonstrate how we can remove the battery and fold the bike in half.
Right then, okay, so first of all, I need to show you this. The actual seat post is the battery, which is really cool, but the other thing they've done, which I think is brilliant, what do you think?
I completely agree.
If you undo this, you can take the battery out, but instead of, if let's say you've gone out for the day, you don't want to carry this battery around with you, they've actually put a lock on the quick release for the battery. Just put the key in, unlock it, and then you can slide the battery out. So on their website, they claim that you can fold this bike in 10 seconds or under. So we're going to demonstrate that now, yeah? Right, should we start counting? Right, so clip there, fold that down, clip there. I don't know how many seconds that was, but it wasn't 10, was it? Put it back together. takes longer to actually put it back together than it does to fold it up. But yeah,
That was really quick.
it was.
So last thing I would like to mention about this bike, it's ideal for those who don't hold driving licenses because it's completely UK legal, meet EAPC guidance, which we'll bring up on screen for that. So it is completely road legal to use, has a 250 watt motor and a maximum speed of 15.5 miles an hour.
See, I've had this bike now for over a week. I've been riding it round, putting some miles on it, and there's absolutely nothing I don't like about this bike. Everything is just perfect. And I don't say that just because it's, you know, well, it is, it's perfect. There's nothing, I can't find nothing on it that...
For the size of the bike and for the value you are getting, it's really compact and it's fantastic. I've never seen an e-bike like it.
There'll be a link in the description. I would recommend you hit that link and go and buy yourself one of these bikes.
Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.